In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set limit order in Trading 212. If you've ever wanted more control over the price you pay or the price you receive, a limit order is exactly what you need. Unlike a market order, which fills at the current available price, a limit order only executes at the specific price you choose, or better. That means you decide the price, and the platform waits until the market matches it. This helps you avoid unwanted slippage and plan entries and exits more precisely. Let's start with a limit buy, which you'd use when you want to buy cheaper than the current market price. On the Trading 212 desktop or web platform, search for the stock you're interested in and open its page. Click Buy, then change the order type from Market to Limit. Now enter either the number of shares you want or the amount you want to invest, and set your target price below the current price. Take a moment to confirm that your limit price is indeed lower than what you're seeing on the screen right now. When everything looks right, click Review and then Confirm. For example, if the current price is $100 and you set your limit at $90, the order will only execute if the price falls to $90 or better. If the price never reaches your target, the order won't fill. You can always modify or cancel an open limit order before it executes. Now let's set a limit sell, which is ideal for taking profit at a higher price. Go to your portfolio and select the stock you already own. Click Sell and choose Limit as the order type. Enter the number of shares you want to sell, then set your target price above the current market price. Double-check that this price is higher than what you see right now. When you're confident, click Review and Confirm. For instance, if you bought at 100 and set a limit sell at 120, the platform will only sell your shares if the price reaches 120 or better. A few important rules to keep you safe. A buy limit must be below the current price, and a sell limit must be above the current price. If you set it the wrong way around, some platforms may treat it like a market order and fill it immediately at the current price. Always verify the order type, the direction, and the limit price before confirming. Remember that limit orders aren't guaranteed to fill, and partial fills can occur in fast-moving markets. Use them to plan your entries and exits with confidence.